Today we will discuss about unit number 5, that is turbines. Means about the turbines. Means first of all, what is turbine? Turbine is a hydraulic machines or device which converts hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. The hydraulic energy is water energy and mechanical energy is rotating shaft. Means in case of the turbines, the water energy is converted into mechanical energy in the form of rotating shaft. This mechanical energy is further converted into electrical energy if a electrical generator is coupled to the shaft of the turbine. So as we discussed earlier, all types of the turbines are the power generating. Means in case of the turbines, the fluid means water has to work on the machines. So in case of turbines, the work done is positive. So further we discuss about the classification of hydraulic turbines. Means classification. So mainly there are three types of the turbine. First is Pelton wheel turbine, second is the Francis turbine, next one is the Kaplan turbine. On the behalf of applications, these are categorized as first is according to the type of energy available at inlet. Means energy available at the inlet of the turbine. The turbines are classified into two categories. First is the impulse turbine and second is the reaction turbine. So the Pelton wheel turbine is a impulse turbine and the Francis or Kaplan turbine is a reaction turbine. Next classification is according to direction of flow. Means on the behalf of direction of flow, the turbines are classified into four categories. First one is the tangential flow turbine, in which the water flow in tangential direction. Second one is the radial flow turbine, in which water flow in radial direction. Axial flow turbines, in this water flow in axial direction. And last is mixed flow turbines. In this case, in mixed flow turbines, water neither flow in axial direction nor flow in radial direction. It is a mixed, so this is called the mixed flow turbines. तो इन केस ऑफ द अब हम वन बाय वन एक एक केस की स्टडी कर लेते हैं. जैसे फर्स्ट है इम्पल्स टर्बाइन कि व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द इम्पल्स टर्बाइन या व्हाट हैपन इन द इम्पल्स टर्बाइन कि इफ द इनलेट ऑफ द टर्बाइन द टोटल एनर्जी अवेलेबल इज ओनली एंड ओनली इन द फॉर्म ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी, then such type of turbines are called the impulse turbine such as Pelton turbine. Next is reaction turbine. Reaction turbine means if at the inlet of the turbine water have kinetic energy as well as pressure energy, then such type of turbine is called the reaction turbine. In reaction turbine, at the inlet of the turbine, the pressure energy is also available, and this pressure energy is also converted into the kinetic energy. So this is called the reaction turbines. The reaction turbines are further classified into two categories: outward reaction turbine or inward reaction turbine. Next, tangential flow turbine, in which water flow in tangential direction. Radial flow turbine, in which water flow in radial direction. Now we discuss about heads and efficiencies of a turbine. This is the schematic layout of a hydroelectric power plant as shown in this figure. Suppose this is the dam in which water is collected, and this is the penstock through which water flow, and at the end of the penstock a nozzle is also connected. This nozzle converts all energy, means kinetic energy or pressure energy, convert into only and only in the form of kinetic energy. And this is a turbine. On the circumference of this turbine, a number of vanes or blades are mounted, and this is the shaft. And if the second end of the shaft is connected to an electric generator, then it will produce electric energy. So first of all, we discuss about the head in a turbine. As shown in this figure, head are of two types. First one is the gross head and second one is net head. So gross head is the difference of water level in head raise level to tail raise level. Suppose in dam the height of water is about this point and this is the tail raise level. So the difference from this point to this point is called the gross head. But the gross head is noted by a symbol Hg like this. Next one is the net head. As we know, when the water flows through the penstoke and strikes the buckets of the turbines, due to friction, the some part of the energy is also losses. So at the inlet of the turbine means at this point the energy will be less as compared to this point, as we discussed in case of pipe flow. We find loss of head due to friction, so the energy will be decreases at this point. So net head is the gross head minus loss of head due to friction. So we also know that HF is the loss of head due to friction, and we also know that HF is equals to 4FL V square upon D into 2G, where F is the coefficient of friction, L is the length of the penstoke या pipe, V is the velocity of flow in penstoke, and D is the diameter of the penstoke. Okay, next we discuss about the efficiencies of a turbine. There are the three types of the efficiencies of a turbines. जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि efficiency का मीन्स होता है कि output upon input. तो first efficiency is hydraulic efficiency. The hydraulic efficiency is defined as the ratio of power given by water to the runner, means runner power to the power supplied by the water at the inlet of the turbine. Means it is the ratio of the runner power, means runner ने हमें कितना पावर दिया, upon means water power. So this is hydraulic efficiency is runner power to water power. So RP is the runner power and WP is the water power. As we know, runner power is also called the work done by the runner, means runner ने कितना वर्क डन किया. सो जैसे कि हमने पिछली यूनिट में भी निकाला होगा, वर्क डन बाय द रनर दैट इज इक्वल्स टू मास फ्लो रेट m VW1 U1 प्लस माइनस VW2 U2 अपॉन 1000 and unit is kilowatt, because where VW1 is the work velocity at the inlet and U1 is the tangential velocity of blade at the inlet, VW2 is the work velocity at the outlet and U2 is the tangential velocity at outlet. अब ये जो इक्वेशन है ये दूसरी फॉर्म में भी हो सकती है, जैसे कि वी नो दैट W इज इक्वल्स टू mg एंड m इज इक्वल्स टू W अपॉन g. सो m की जगह हमने पुट कर दिया W अपॉन g एंड दिस. सो दिस इज द रनर पावर. सिमिलरली वी टॉक अबाउट द वाटर पावर एंड वी नो दैट वाटर पावर इज पावर सप्लाइड एट इनलेट ऑफ टर्बाइन, मीन्स एट द इनलेट ऑफ टर्बाइन कितनी हमने वाटर पावर सप्लाइड किया, दैट इज द वर्क डन इनटू हेड अवेलेबल अपॉन 1000 किलोवाट. अब we also know that W is the weight of water striking the veins per second, that is also equals to rho g q. So water power is this. Next, mechanical efficiency means mechanical efficiency का मीन्स है कि mechanical component की efficiency. तो it is output upon input. So this is the ratio of shaft power upon runner power, and shaft power is S dot P and runner power is R dot P. So next one is the overall efficiency, means overall. तो overall efficiency is the shaft power, क्योंकि shaft power से हमें आउटपुट मिल रहा है और इनपुट हमारा क्या है, वाटर पावर. सो दिस इज द रेशो ऑफ shaft पावर अपॉन वाटर पावर, एंड सो shaft पावर अपॉन वाटर पावर. सो वी कैन मॉडिफाई दिस फॉर्मूला S dot P upon runner power into runner power upon water power, and we see that this ratio is the mechanical efficiency and this ratio is called the hydraulic efficiency. So overall efficiency is the product of mechanical efficiency and hydraulic efficiency.